Hey guys, so if this makeup and this hair looks familiar, it's because I filmed 2 videos in one day. Don't judge me. So I just did like a quick, simple little look on this makeup. I just needed something quick and easy, not too crazy. I have a doctor's appointment today, so I don't need to be stunting on my doctor like that. So yeah, I will be voicing over this video, trying to give you guys more in-depth tips and tricks and explaining what I'm doing because my grandma said that she wanted me to. So Granny, if you see this video, this is for you, girl. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right on into the video. Okay, so I'm first going to go in with my Fenty concealer. This is in the shade, hang on, let me look, the shade 380, and use that to prime my eyes. And then I'm going to use what I'm pretty sure is the Fenty powder, but I'm not completely sure. This video was filmed so long ago, I kind of forgot, sorry, but yeah. So like I said, I did kind of forget what I used, but I'm pretty sure I used the Huda Beauty Nude Palette for my entire eye, so yeah. So next I'm going in with this CoverGirl liquid eyeliner. It's just a black eyeliner. This is bomb. I got this when I went to Vegas from Walmart, and it was like under $8, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, like I said, this eyeliner is bomb. It's easy to use. I love the brush on it, and it's really black and it dries matte. So if you need a new eyeliner like I did, try this CoverGirl one. It's amazing. Now I'm using these lashes. I got these from my local beauty supply store, and these are like my go-to natural lashes. And then I'm just prepping my real lashes with this Urban Decay Perversion mascara. It's just like a sample size one, but I really like this mascara. And then I'm just going to pop these on. These lash tweezers are from Cake Face Beauty. Now I'm jumping into complexion. I'm first going to take my Glam Glow moisturizer. This was like a birthday gift from Sephora a while back. But yeah, I really like this moisturizer. And then I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty primer and put that all over my face as well. And then take the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation in the color Nutmeg and put that all over my face using my Fenty Beauty sponge. So I don't know why I did product shots of some of the stuff but not all of it, but next, as you saw, I'm taking this Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer, and this is in the shade Cool Sand. I'm just using that to highlight my face. Okay, so I'm like 96% sure this is the Fenty Beauty powder in the color Cashew, because the Milani concealer and the Fenty powder together is a freaking dream. It will make your face look so amazing. Next, I'm taking this Sephora face powder. This is the Micro Smooth powder in 56 Deep. And then I took my Fenty bronzer in the color Caramel Cutie. And then I'm just going to take the same Fenty Beauty powder, I'm pretty sure, or like just a powder, it doesn't matter what powder, and just put that under where I bronzed and along like my lips, kind of. I just like the way that this like makes my face look. It makes my cheekbones look really high, and yeah. Then I'm just going to dust it away right away. Next, I'm moving on to my eyebrows. When it comes to my eyebrows, I like to keep them very natural and simple because I have naturally pretty bushy eyebrows. Not bushy, but just big eyebrows, I guess. So I just take a dark color out of the Morphe 350 palette and just put it on there with an angled brush. This is what I used to do. Now I have the Brow Wiz from Anastasia in dark brown. And then I'm just going to take this LA Colors brow gel. It's just clear brow gel. Next, I'm going to highlight my inner corner. I'm either using Beautiful Autumn by Bare Minerals or Pink Champagne by Anastasia. Pretty sure it's Pink Champagne. And then I'm pretty sure I highlighted with Beautiful Autumn by Bare Minerals because that's what I always use. Then I took this e.l.f. mattifying spray and just sprayed my face with that and pushed it in using my Fenty Beauty sponge. When you do this, it makes your makeup look so natural and like skin. So yes guys, that is it. That is how I created this super simple, super pretty look. I hope you guys like it. If you guys have any suggestions or requests, leave them down below in the comment section, and I will see you guys very soon with my next video. You can't have me at my morning glory, ever morning glory, and if you don't want me at my good night, then it's gonna be goodbye. Gonna be goodbye. I'm in love with this hair.